Today we will understand the CBC test, complete blood count, in a simple way. CBC is one of the most common blood tests used to check overall health, infection, anemia, inflammation, and many blood-related conditions. 1. Hemoglobin HB. Normal values. Male 13 to 17 g/dl. Female 12 to 15 g/dl. Children 11 to 14 g/dl. Function. Hemoglobin carries oxygen from the lungs to the whole body. Low HB indicates anemia, iron deficiency, blood loss, malnutrition. High HB indicates dehydration, smoking, lung disease, polycythemia. 2. Red blood cells, RBC count. Normal values. Male, 4.5 to 5.9 million/L. Female, 4.1 to 5.1 million/L. Function. RBCs transport oxygen in the blood. Low RBC indicates anemia, bleeding, nutritional deficiency. High RBC indicates dehydration, heart or lung disease, high-altitude adaptation. 3. White blood cells, WBC count. Normal value, 4,000 to 11,000/L. Function. WBCs fight infections and protect the body. High WBC indicates infection, inflammation, stress, leukemia. Low WBC indicates viral infection, bone marrow problem, weak immune system. For platelets, normal value, 150,000 to 450,000/L. Function. Platelets help in blood clotting. Low platelets indicates dengue, bleeding disorders, bone marrow disease. High platelets indicates infection, inflammation, some blood disorders. 5. Hematocrit, HCT. Normal values. Male 40 to 50%. Female 36 to 44%. Function. Shows the percentage of red blood cells in blood. Low HCT. Anemia, blood loss. High HCT. Dehydration, polycythemia. 6. Mean corpuscular volume MCV. Normal value, 80 to 100 FL. Function. Measures the size of red blood cells. Low MCV. Iron deficiency anemia. High MCV. Vitamin B12 deficiency.